How you doing? Dave Rodnelli here at MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to take you aboard the 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This particular boat is equipped with twin Mercury 350 outboards. This boat also comes with optional triple outboards or twin inboard outboards. This seating configuration's an L shape fixed. Nice big transom locker for your fenders and dock lines. You can also get this as a big sun pad option from the factory if you didn't want this fixed transom storage. Coming into the cockpit, fusion radio controls here. This boat has the infinity woven copper. Here on the starboard side you do have an electric Kenyan grill, freshwater sink, and isotherm stainless steel fridge. You've got a nice teak table here in the cockpit that is removable. You've got a power sunshade option above here, you can see that goes all the way aft. LED rope lighting in the hardtop. You have a manual opening sunroof. Here on the starboard side of the helm, you've got a really nicely appointed helm, dual SIMRAD screens, fusion radio, joystick control, and digital throttle shifts. You'll notice this boat's very unique in that it does have a port side walkthrough, and we'll show you the bow seating after we go and look at the cabin. Coming down into the cabin, very nicely appointed. Right now this is in the bed position. Of course there is a table underneath here that rises so you can sit around that for dining. Flat screen TV forward. You have your head starboard side. It is a wet head. You do have hot and cold shower as well as a vacuum flush toilet. In the aft cabin there, you'll see right now it's in the dual twin berths, and those will come together to make a full-size berth if you'd like. And there's another flat screen TV back there as well. You do have a small another second fridge here, as well as a microwave here, and plenty of storage underneath. And now we'll take you up to the bow area. Coming up to the bow, you can see you've got a nice walkway. And then up here, this is what makes the boat so unique. You've got seating for 3 here. You've got stereo controls here. And then you've got a split bow rail. And of course, you've got your automatic anchor windlass forward here with remote. Again, we're on the 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please call me 401-569-3874. Thank you.